Hello everyone. Question is, if x minus 4 whole cube equals to minus 8, find all the values of x. Solution will be here given x minus 4 whole cube equals to minus 8. Transposing minus 8 to left hand side, we can write this as x minus 4 whole cube plus 8 equals to 0. This equals to x minus 4 whole cube plus 8 can be written as 2 cube equals to 0. Now this is of the form a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So we can write this as x minus 4 plus 2 times x minus 4 whole square minus 2 times x minus 4 plus 2 square equals to 0. This equals to x minus 4 plus 2 times, on expanding x minus 4 whole square, we get x square minus 8x plus 16, multiplying minus 2 by x minus 4, we get minus 2x plus 8 plus 2 square is 4 equals to 0. This equals to x minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 times x square minus 8x minus 2x is minus 10x, 16 plus 8 plus 4 is plus 28 equals to 0. This implies that either x minus 2 equals to 0 or x square minus 10x plus 28 equals to 0. From here x equals to 2, or this is a quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation, we will use quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here coefficient of x square is 1, so a equals to 1. Coefficient of x is minus 10, so b equals to minus 10. Here constant term is 28, so c equals to 28. Substituting a, b and c in the quadratic formula, we get x equals to minus 10 plus minus square root of minus 10 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 28 by 2 times 1. This equals to 10 plus minus square root of minus 10 whole square is 100 minus 4 times 1 times 28 is 112 by 2. This equals to 10 plus minus square root of 100 minus 112 is minus 12 by 2. This equals to 10 plus minus square root of minus 12 can be written as square root of 12 times square root of minus 1 by 2. This equals to 10 plus minus, we can write square root of 12 as 2 square root of 3. We can write square root of minus 1 as I by 2. This equals to, taking out common factor from the numerator, we can write this as 2 times 5 plus minus square root of 3i by 2. Here and here 2 will be reduced by 2 1 times, here also 1 times. This equals to 5 plus minus square root of 3i. Therefore x equals to 2 or x equals to 5 plus minus square root of 3i. Here x equals to 2 is real root of x and x equals to 5 plus minus square root of 3i is an imaginary root of x. This is our solution.